In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can boost your SEO traffic for free using Content Raptor. Content Raptor is offering exclusive access to a 7-day free trial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to access it. This is the perfect opportunity to access powerful SEO tools that help you drive organic traffic, optimize your content, and grow your audience, all while trying the platform completely risk-free. So first off, what is Content Raptor? Content Raptor is an all-in-one SEO platform designed to simplify the process of creating high-performing content. It brings together powerful tools for keyword analysis, competitor research, and content optimization, making it easier than ever to improve your rankings and drive organic traffic. Whether you're a marketer crafting campaigns, a blogger writing engaging articles, or a business owner optimizing your website, Content Raptor offers everything you need in one place. Its intuitive interface and advanced features ensure that even users with little SEO experience can create professional, optimized content that truly resonates with their audience. By combining actionable insights with real-time feedback, Content Raptor takes the guesswork out of SEO and helps you focus on what truly matters, which is creating amazing content that delivers results. With its comprehensive suite of tools, you can save time, work smarter, and achieve better visibility on search engines like Google. Let's take a look at some of the key features. First off, keyword analysis. Content Raptor helps you discover high-performing keywords that align with your niche and audience. With detailed metrics like search volume, competition level, and keyword difficulty, you can pinpoint the terms that will drive the most traffic to your site. This tool ensures you're targeting the right phrases to attract visitors who are genuinely interested in your content or products. Content optimization using AI-powered suggestions. Content Raptor helps you refine your articles for better readability, structure, and SEO performance. It highlights areas where you can improve, such as keyword placement, sentence flow, or subheading use, ensuring your content meets both audience expectations and search engine requirements. Competitor insights. Understanding your competition is key to outranking them. Content Raptor analyzes what's working for competitors in your niche, providing insights into their keywords, backlinks, and content strategies. With this information, you can create content that not only competes but stands out in search results. Free SEO tools. The platform includes a range of tools to improve your overall SEO strategy, from backlink analysis to topic generators and performance tracking. Content Raptor equips you with everything you need to refine your approach and maximize results. These tools will really help you uncover gaps in your strategy and find opportunities for real growth. Real-time feedback. One of Content Raptor's standout features is its real-time feedback system. As you create content, the platform offers instant recommendations to optimize your work. Whether it's improving a headline, adding a keyword, or refining your structure, this feature ensures your content is optimized from the start, saving you time and effort. By combining these features, Content Raptor provides a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to enhance their content's visibility, attract more visitors, and achieve better SEO results. It's an essential tool for taking your content strategy to the next level. So if you want access to this exclusive 7-day free trial, what you want to do is click our exclusive link in the description to get started. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the different pricing options. Here you can see you do have access to the 7-day free trial. And what is included is in the free trial, it is 25 content optimizer uses, 1 A/B test, and after 7 days, no more keywords will be tracked and no new GSC data will flow in. Next is the all-in-one plan. This is everything you need for one simple price. With this plan, you can pay monthly or annually. You do get 2 months free if you pay annually. With the monthly, it's $47 a month, and paying for a year for annual billing, that comes out to $470 a year. It does depend on how many sites are included. So depending on how many sites you have, the price will increase or decrease. But what is included with this price is 1 site or up to 20 sites, unlimited A/B tests, unlimited content optimizer usage, 150 tracked keywords per site, which is updated daily, unlimited high opportunity page recommendations, and unlimited uses of our AI rewrite tool for keywords and entities, as well as 100 plus search languages and 300 plus regions. So you can pick an option that works best for you. And the great thing about it is if you need more sites, you can upgrade that as well. Now, to get access to the 7-day free trial, you want to make sure you use our exclusive link in the description to get started today. This trial is going to give you you full access to all premium features, which allows you to experience the platform risk-free. To claim this offer, all you have to do is go ahead and click Start Free Trial, and then you'll have to enter in your email address. You'll have to verify your email address as well as connect your Search Console and then start optimizing. If you do choose to use our exclusive link, I do want to say that these are affiliate links, so we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to use our links, we always want to thank you in advance for your support. I hope this video helps you take your SEO to the next level. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube video and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.